Hi, my name's Imaan and I'm a first year undergraduate student studying Economics Management Studies at Cardiff University. A few years ago, I never thought I could be the person who I am today. Back then I was a bit shy and quiet and just getting on with my day. Nothing much was happening for me. But that all changed for me when I found out about the Skills Challenge Enterprise competition. And I just thought, why not have a go? And I'm glad that I did, because now I found my footing, and it's only the beginning for me. Throughout the competition, I gained an insight into how to run a business, and that only fueled my passions more. And the support my team and I gave each other was absolutely phenomenal. And because of that, we won it. Then one day came an email saying, "Hey, do you want to be an ISEiW ambassador?" And I was like, yeah. But I put off applying for days and weeks because I started to doubt myself. I was worried and anxious, nervous in fact. I just started to think, will I be welcomed? Will I fit in? Am I even good enough? But all that worrying was for nothing, because now I can empower people to take the same leap of faith as I did. To not be shy, to not be quiet. Rather, to use your voice to encourage people to do the things that they love outside their comfort zone. This is the place where I can express my passions. It's a place for my passions, a place for my skills, and I can improve those skills further with one-to-one training and become more employable. You can do the same. You can experience personal growth. You can become part of a second family. And you can see yourself become a better version of you. This is what an ambassador does. They empower themselves to empower others, whether that's through vlogs, blogs, or workshops with organisations where your skills and your passions are needed. Whatever you got, there is something for you. And that's what I love about being an ambassador. This opportunity only comes once. So, why not give it a go?